everyone, my name is Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. I'm back with the Amika Blowout Babe Thermal Brush. If you like a blowout, but you want to get it done at home and do it yourself, easy breezy, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to get it. Alright, so I'm also going to talk about the Shield, which is one of my favorite Amika products. It's an anti-humidity spray and it's a heat protector, so it kind of locks in whatever you do. It is heat activated, so you have to use it with some sort of heat, whether it's blow drying or flat ironing or, for instance, like the blowout brush. So I'm just going to kind of spray that all over. It's an aerosol, so it's really easy to use. And I even aerosol it on my wet hair before I blow dry, so you can do that too. So I did that and I'm kind of brushing it through a little bit just to get it distributed evenly. It works up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit of heat protection, so you honestly would never go higher than that, I hope. So I already have this on and there's two settings technically. If you turn it up a little bit, it has ions. So I'm gonna section up my hair. I'm gonna do the front separate and the back separate. I have my little Amika clips. And I'm gonna split this actually into two more sections. First, I'm gonna take this section and I'm gonna kind of work the brush through. You kind of flip it over like that and you kind of work your way down and around, and then kind of just keep doing it till you get a little bit of that curl, and just kind of pull it through like you would do with a blowout if you were blow drying it. And you bring it in like that and work it back around. I don't know if you guys can see pretty good, but like so, and bring it back up to the top and let it kind of sit there for a little bit. I can touch the bristles because they don't get too hot, so that's totally fine. And then I just hold it for a little bit and unravel. And there's my first piece. As you can tell, it's got the volume and it's super amazing. And now I'm gonna do the top part here. Let me scooch back a little so you guys can see. I'm just kind of brushing it through so it's easier for me. And I'm gonna do the same thing again, kind of like working it through like that, working it around and bringing it back in and holding it there. And like that, and I'm just holding it, no problem. And then you just wait a little bit. I know waiting's not fun always for everybody, but at the same time, a blowout takes even longer. So I'm gonna let that kind of stay like that. And I'm gonna do this side real quick. And then I'll pin that top up and do down here. Same idea, kind of going through like a blowout, rolling it through like you do a blowout. My short hairs are falling out, we'll get them in there. I'm giving the tension up so I can get that volume. I'm just holding it on there. Let it heat up. Such a cool concept for somebody that wants a blowout but at home. You gotta know that you gotta do this on dry hair. This is not intended for wet hair. You can like wash your hair the night before maybe, and then go in the morning and just do this part, so that might speed up your time in getting ready and doing the blowout. And you can do more volume at the top, but I don't really like that much volume at the top of my hair, so I'm actually just doing the sides. And then just wait a little bit, let it heat up. And look at like all that volume already. Isn't that rad? Dude. Okay, and I haven't even done the back yet. And then in the back, same thing. Just kind of run it through. I like to twirl it through just like you do with your brush, where you kind of first get the curl going and then you roll it around and you leave it like that. So it's actually pretty easy, honestly. I feel like anybody could do this. If you're going for the blowout look, this is your thing. This is your new thing. All right, and then let this one out. You can also pin them. So sometimes people like to pin their blowouts, which makes more sense, honestly. But I'm not doing that today because I'm not going anywhere, honestly. I just wanted to make this video for you guys. I almost wish I was going somewhere. Maybe I'll have to tell my husband to take me out. So this tool is designed to unleash the bombshell in you. The Blowout Babe Thermal Brush creates the just blown out look without a blow dryer or hot air. It's complete with big bouncy volume. It has a ceramic barrel and an ion generator, which is nice. For faster, healthier styling, the ionic generator increases negative ion output, resulting in shiny, smooth, frizz-free results with zero static. And it has a 1-year warranty, which is nice. So you see, I just roll it back up, hold it there. I don't hold it any specific time really, like probably like 30 seconds or 40 seconds. So not too crazy long. Kind of the same amount that you would leave anything that you're curling, you know? You guys know. And I'm on my last piece now. I can definitely say it's easier to use than doing this with a round brush and a blow dryer, like on myself. Blowing out my own hair is much harder than this. This is nice and easy, and you kind of pull through. As you can see, like I can pull it through. And I kind of pull through the bottom and get that bottom like smoothed out into the blowout. And then I start twirling it back once that bottom gets kind of curled up like that. And then just roll it back in and hold it there. You can feel the hair and check if it is feeling warm to make sure it did the things. And then just unroll it. And I like to twirl it. But yeah, look at this volume. How crazy awesome is this? Yes, so much yes. So if you've been wondering if you should get this tool right here, the answer is yes. If you like volume, if you like big blown out hair, and let's say you're somebody that goes to the salon and pays to get it done every once in a while, this is something that you would love to try to do at home and create this look for your daily situation. Thanks so much for joining me. If this is your first time here, nice to meet you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to see more of my videos. You can hit the notification button as well, and it'll remind you every time I post a new video. I haven't been posting as many videos lately. I've been so busy, and I miss you guys so much, and I'm gonna try my best to work on making more videos for you guys. Thanks so much for being patient with me. I hope you learned something new today. And if you've been thinking about getting the blow-up brush, you have my 2 thumbs up. Like, it's the bomb. It's really good. As you guys can see, like, you know, and I didn't spray anything in it really besides the shield, which the shield, it's just to protect it. Lock in a style, but definitely not hairspray or something like that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.